Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after a high of 248281 on gold, we felt that there is no stopping and next stop on the chart of gold is around 2500. But finally, we can see some retracement. Many of you considered this to be the trend reversal, but we can clearly see right now that this was just a retracement and market is trying to go up again. Because we can clearly see right now the market structure is still bullish. There is no change in the market structure. If we go to a higher time frame also, okay, there is no doubt that this market is bullish. And as we all have been discussing, and that probably you know also that for any trend reversal, okay, simply an indication from moving average or any indicator will not work. We need a solid fundamental reason. Okay, without fundamentals, there cannot be a trend continuation or a trend reversal. And right now, the fundamentals are pointing towards the upside only. Technically, yes, retracement is due. Without retracement, market cannot go up. But right now, there is no sign of proper retracement. Okay, and before I proceed, I would like to mention one thing that many of you may feel that Avila show levels are so slow, hardly we get one or two trades when we follow your levels. But my dear friends, we should always remember that we are here to make money for ourselves, not for the broker. Okay. If you are taking 10 to 12 trades a day, it means that you are generating commission brokers for the broker, not for yourself. Because if you look at any chart, you can see that I have a long watch. If you look at any chart, you will find many opportunities. Okay, but do you think that you should trade on each and every level? No, there's a thin line between trading and gambling, and sometimes we feel that we are trading, we are traders, but unknowingly we are gambling. So do not make the mistake. We are traders, not gamblers. And my friends, there have been a few scams going on in my name on Instagram. So this is my real profile. Okay, you just need to type the trader next door. There is a dot, okay, before trader next door. Okay, you can see here. You please follow the profile with the blue tick only. Okay, you'll also find the link in the description. Okay, now let's talk about the chart of gold. So first of all, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold stabilizes amid Fed rate cut bets. Gold held steady near 2460 per ounce on Tuesday, remaining close to record highs amid growing optimism that the Federal Reserve will reduce rates as early as September. Gold steady, supported by Fed rate cuts prospect, means market is not super bullish, but overall market is steady right now. Overall sentiment on the chart of gold is still bullish. So if you are holding a buy on gold as a swing trader, position trader, you can still be on the buy position because overall the market is bullish, and in the next few days also we can expect the market to go up. Okay, because experts are believing that gold is heading towards 2500, and maybe I read some articles, okay, they are saying that gold will be somewhere around 2600, 2700 by the end of the year. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm a day trader, so I do not want to predict anything. Okay, so swing traders, position traders, if you're on a buy, you can be on the trade. And if you're stuck on a sell right now, because many of you have texted me, emailed me that you are on a sell, then please try to exit, because if market starts going up again, you will be in deep trouble. Okay, now let's discuss about the trading opportunities. Yesterday we discussed about two support levels. The first support level was around 2450. Okay, market came around 2451 and there was a good bounce. Okay, so this level worked very nicely. Okay, so today the next support on the chart of gold is around 2432 0.50. Okay, around 2432.50 we can expect the market to take support. If market drops, why we're considering this support level, let me show you. Okay, mm, see, yesterday also our FIBO level very nicely. Here we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and we are expecting the previous resistance also to work as support. So 2432.50 is our next support on the chart of gold, but the problem is still the same. Okay, the level of 2432 is far away from the current market price, because right now gold is trading around 2467. Okay, so my dear friends, okay, my dear friends, during the day, especially before the US session, if we see that gold is coming down, you can observe the market around 2450 again. As we have been discussing, as we always say, that to break any level, volume is extremely important. Right now, we can clearly see that there is not much volume in the market. So if market goes down before US session, you can expect the same level to provide some support to the market. I'm not saying that there will be a complete trend reversal. I cannot predict, but at least you can expect a temporary bounce. At least you can expect a bounce of 40 to 50 pips around 2450. Okay. And by the US session, if market surprises every one of us with heavy selling pressure, overall chart will still be an uptrend, but as a day trader, okay, we can look for a sell below 2450 if the selling pressure is very high. Okay, and the support of 2432 will still be there. And obviously, I I should not be discussing this, but in case of extreme selling, 2400 is the ultimate support. 2400. But I don't think so. We will see the phase of 2400. So yesterday market, okay, market tried to cross the level, the previous high of 2482, okay, but market failed to do so. Okay, so this will be a critical level for us, okay, because at this moment, okay, at this moment we are not sure whether there will be a breakout or this will be a resistance. Because ideally in this type of market, the previous high do not work as a resistance. But here yesterday it worked as a resistance. So next time when market will hit to 2482 2483 area, okay, this particular zone here, please observe, okay, 24 sorry, not 2482 area, please observe how does the market react. If you see that there's a breakout, okay, wait for at least 30 minutes to see how does the market um, um, how does the market work. If you see that the breakout is real, okay, then you can go for a buy. If possible, okay, if possible, try to buy at retracement. Means when market will break this level, okay, when market will break this level and market will come down, because at one point market will come for retracement, because the previous resistance will be working as support. So around 2483 area, 2482 area, market will take some support, then you can go for a buy position. Okay. This will be a good buy. And in case if we see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, market is struggling, market is showing price rejection from above, you can look for a sell position, but very risky. So please follow proper risk management. So at this moment, it's little uncertain whether it is a resistance or the market will break the resistance and move higher. You can see that I have also drawn a FIBO levels here. Okay, so the reason behind drawing the FIBO levels is that, okay, the FIBO levels are working as a quick scalping opportunity. Okay, quick scalping opportunity. You can see all the FIBO levels have been doing a nice job, but this overall this is a bullish market, so these are high risk trades. Okay, high risk, especially if you are a new trader, beginner, then obviously you should not be doing this. Discipline is is very important for you. Okay, but those who have been trading, those who have scalping skills, risk management skills, okay, you can try to score 20-25 pips around this area. Okay, so you can see our FIBO levels have been doing a fine job. So around 2471.70 70, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. We can expect a quick sell of 20-25 pips, and then around 2477 we can expect again a quick sell of 20 to 25 pips. Here we have FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Okay, so on every level, okay, we can see market is giving 20-25 pips. So here also we are expecting 20-25 pips. So 2471.70, 2477, but these are high risk trades. This may work, may not work, I'm not sure. Okay, but as a day trader, okay, if you want, you can take the risk. Okay, so overall on the chart of gold, respecting the overall trend of the market and market sentiment, it is better and safer for us to be on the buy side only. Yesterday market took support around 2450, so we are expecting the same again if the volume of the market is low. Okay, as a day trader, we can at least expect a bounce of 40-50 pips. But if market surprises everyone with heavy selling pressure, as a day trader, we can look for a sell below 2450 as well. Next, Support on the chart of gold is around 2432.8 or 5. And in case of extreme selling, 2400 is the ultimate support, or we can also expect this to be the monthly support on the chart of gold. The role of 248283 is not clear right now because yesterday market failed to cross the previous high. Usually this type of level should not work, but yesterday it worked. So today, if it reverses, as a day trader, we can look for a sell. But if it breaks, do not take a buy immediately. Wait for some time. When the same level will be the new support for the market at retracement, it is better and safer for us to enter. And two levels that I discussed are high risk, extreme high risk trades for scalpers, experienced traders, where we can look for a quick sell of 20-25 pips around 2471.5. So 2471.7 and 2477. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Okay, thank you so much. And if you're looking for a reliable forex broker, your broker is okay shady, not giving you right service, then you can visit the link in the description. This is my website. Okay, not only you will get this article, okay, but you can choose a broker by selecting your own country or region. Okay, and you will find links also to open account. Okay, if you open account under my referral, then obviously I'll be there to help you out in case of any problems. You don't need to be dependent on the customer support always. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, be careful, do not gamble.